guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line pumpkin. I will be using all Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase on our website buildacross.com, along with the cutout that I'm painting. I'm going in first with the color terracotta for my pumpkin and just base coating with a number 12 flat, not round. And then I'm using sea glass for the center of the pumpkin, and I will use chocolate for the stem. And terracotta is my very favorite color for pumpkins. It's a real muted orange, and it always turns out very pretty. And I'm just using like around a number 6 round to base coat the edges of this stem where they get a little bit tighter, more detailed. And then I will continue to use this in that chocolate color, and I will go over all the lines that are etched into my pumpkin like I'm doing here. And then in between each of my pumpkin ridges, I will do just a few little highlights with that chocolate. And then all of the chocolate color that's on the pumpkin, I'm going to go over that and kind of highlight it with the color putty, which is this really pretty tan color, and do the same thing on my stem. And now I'm going in with some of the color limeade, and I'm just brushing that on kind of like a leaf detail on the edges of the circle in the center of my pumpkin. And then to give them a little bit of detail, I'm hitting them with this black paint and a number 4 round. And I'll also use this black paint to hit around my stem just a little bit to kind of make it pop and bring it out a little bit more. And then after that, I will be done. You could go in on the center and put your last name or happy fall or really whatever you wanted to. That's what the center of the pumpkin is for you to be able to go in and do lettering with either like paint, a Sharpie brushstroke marker, or even some vinyl. All will work. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.